Oh, Wesco's gonna give it to you. Oh, it's a pimp time. Let me show you what I got. It's the PMC PACKOUT multifunction cup holder. This is actually one of the things I wanted to create, but I'm a little busy. But Dave Money, right? That's what that homage is to. Pimp My PACKOUT totally remixed this to the next level, the exhibit level. Check this out. I'm going to show you what it does. You want to see what it does? Let's go see what it does. It's a cup holder for a cup that has a cup holder built on the bottom, right? Oh, so yeah, he took that and he pimped it, super pimped it. Let me show you what everything does. So it's not just your everyday cup holder. It's a cup holder that clips into a PACKOUT. And that's the Joey. I also have a Joey Jr. over there. But what else can it do? Well, that's what it can do. That's not all. It can do that, right? And wait, hold on. That's not all. These side screws, boom, one on each side, one in the middle. But that's not all. He already updated this. I printed it out. So there's the new clip, but that's not all. The new clip, right? Wall grid, new clip, cups. If you've got this new wall set up and you get these clips and you put them on your bins, look at that. They're gonna hang on there perfectly and they're gonna stagger. So you can put one there, one there. You could do 3 cups. Sweet.